What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix brought to you by the Rule Coders. And today we have Zain and Tanesh. How are we doing, Tanesh? You right there?
Hey, Zane, yeah, good to be back. Yeah, keen to get into it as always.
Fantastic. Yeah, really, as in looking forward to these sessions every day. A lot to learn, a lot of
Mhm.
excitement, and a lot of water in the gullets.
It's really hot today, so
It was boiling, man. As
yeah,
in, how did you manage to stay outside for that long, to be honest?
yeah, true. Is luckily we were in the shade, but yeah, very hot.
Yeah, true, true.
Like,
Um, yeah, go on.
no, it's like 37 degrees or something like that. So, um, it was you know, on a, in Australia 37 is like pretty hot. It's like dry and yeah. Anyways,
Yeah, true. That's absolutely right, though. As in, the best part is that I think we're not in the northern territory because over
hmm
there I was talking to a friend. It was
hmm
40 degrees,
oh wow,
and I was like,
it's hot.
"Whoa, that is way too much."
Yeah.
Welcome, Gegdev. Good to have you. Can we please acknowledge that Australia Day is in Yes, we sure can. I don't see why not. I'm not entirely, as in fully aware of what exactly happened on the Australia Day. Uh, do you by any chance know, Dinesh?
No, my knowledge is a bit vague on that as well. So, yeah.
Right, right. Because what I do know is, and I don't know how much of this is correct or not, but
Mhm,
Australia was taken over from British uh, when they came here.
mhm,
Right, as an invasion day. Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense
mhm,
because the missus were actually showing me that there was a huge parade somewhere in Melbourne, as in
mhm,
by Aboriginals.
mhm.
That makes sense. Yeah, yeah, I see.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think like some people or a lot of people have a view on it. Um, they think that the name should be changed or the date completely abolished.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
I see. Yeah.
yeah.
Uh huh. Cool, cool, cool. So we can actually call them Abos for short. Right. Yeah,
I
I keep that
don't
in
think
mind.
that's. I don't think so.
Right.
I think that's not the right. I don't know, but I don't think that's the right time to be using. Um, Saying I think maybe GACDEF might be pulling a leg. Uh,
From the tone of his sentence, I think he
yeah,
might be serious.
you see,
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, it's. I think that's a derogatory term, if I'm not mistaken. But my knowledge, like I said, is a bit vague as well.
Right. Okay. So you're saying that the last was in
Yeah. See, he was pulling a leg. I think.
okay. Then
Yeah.
in that sense, right. Cool. No problem. Uh, right. So first things first. Let's do the acknowledgement for the country and pay our respect to the elders. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. Yeah. So is there anything specifically do we need to mention on this day?
Um, yeah, I don't think so.
I don't know. So I'm just asking because I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
take this day as a normal day when
Mm-hmm.
there is a huge history behind it. So if
Mm-hmm.
we need to pay any respect as in special respects to
Mm-hmm.
as in terms of words or anything, we can also do that.
Mm-hmm. But not that I'm aware of. Um, yeah, not that I'm aware of.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, no problem at all. So, carrying on forward, so
Mm-hmm.
just to recall what we did yesterday, we we included the S3 bucket in our cloud formations. So the whole idea for that is to when we deploy our chain set in cloud formation, we want to have the S3 over there already, and then we want to manually upload all the files and folders into S3 from our front end. And there, I believe we're going to do it with the CLI.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, we did do that last night, but we were experiencing some permissions issues, so that is why we're gonna try that again. But for, we need to give permissions to the the S3 to actually accept all the files. All right.
Okay.
So
Makes sense.
yeah. So just do you wanna actually I'll just play some music as well.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Okay, cool. So it's actually really interesting because the music is really cool.
Mm-hmm.
But its name is even cooler. Fill in the
Oops.
ducks.
Nice.
All right, cool. So do you want to share the screen maybe?
Yeah, sure. Do you prefer if I share the screen? Or
Um, Either way.
okay. Yeah. Can do. I need to pull what you guys did as well.
Yes.
I tried
Yeah.
to push it, by the way, the other day, but yeah, I'll show you. I actually didn't have permissions to push it.
Really
Yeah.
interesting. But in which branch were you pushing it?
Oh, I was pushing it to
Yeah.
master.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
just be
I see.
careful.
That's my bad.
Yeah. It's always really helpful that
Mm-hmm.
when you want to push stuff, as in even if you want to stage it and commit it, just
Mm-hmm.
to maybe do a get status first, because
Okay.
that actually tells you first of all in which branch you are, second of all what is staged and what's not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. I know, but I forget to do that stuff.
That's fine. Yeah, it takes practice. As in, when I started first doing that,
Mm-hmm.
my subconscious mind was always as in just doing an add, commit, and then push, add, commit, push. And then I've had to basically practice it that I kind of created a brand new folder and
Mm-hmm.
then didn't get in it, and then I purposely did 10 to 15 commits using status add commit push, status add commit push, status and commit point,
Nice.
and then it just became a
Natural.
subconscious habit. Yeah.
Yeah. True. True.
Okay. Do you want to?
Switched.
Yeah. hmm I think there might be a setting in kind of the profile in Mac that we can basically create a different account, as in a user account, just for the streaming purposes, as in which everything is just a bit zoomed in, so we don't have to manually do it every time.
Oh, okay.
As in just basically create a different profile
Mm-hmm.
dedicated to streaming
That's true.
only. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Hmm.
Um,
Right. Have you done a git pull already?
yes, I have.
Okay, fantastic.
So the
Right.
first thing we want to work on is the permissions, right?
Yes, please.
So bucket's already been created, and now I need what? How can I visualize the issue? So because I need to have a look at it before I kind of.
Okay, so the issue, you can visualize the issue by copying all the file and folders from the front end repo
Mhm.
and upload everything to the bucket. Then you visualize it.
Like manually, or you mean through like CLI?
CLI. I would prefer CLI, but if you feel comfortable doing a gazillion clicks, yeah, feel free to.
No, I just don't know how to do it
Okay, cool.
via
So,
CLI. That's why.
okay. If so, where are you at the moment in that repo? It's now. So if you just basically open up terminal,
Okay.
is your t-shirt in the wash?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Um,
Understandable.
I'll get it soon.
Yeah, no problem. What I might do, because Kartik has two pairs now as well.
Hmm.
So when we link up, I'll give you the mug as well.
Hmm.
Get Dev gave us as a present, and
Hmm.
I'll give you another pair of the t-shirt.
Cool, man. Sounds good.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, cool. So, you're on the user. Okay, can you go in the folder in which all your repos are kept? Right. So if you wanna go into Scrambler enhancement, seed into that, and do a ls. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. I always fail to mute myself in, as in this on time,
It's
and
alright.
it just always catches me. All right, cool. So we need to do an AWS
Mhm.
S3 CP. So space CP, yeah, space CP, and then your source directory, which would be the client.
Just like this, right? Oh.
Just do um just do client uh forward slash space and then s3 colon forward slash and then the bucket name, which is Scrambler front end. Yep, press enter and it will allow you, but it will come as access denied for 4 million times. Oh, sorry, my bad. You need to add recursive as well, right then. So minus minus recursive. See what's happening? Upload failed million times. Yeah, so probably do unable to look at credentials. So you have got that issue, unable to locate the credentials. Have you got
That's okay,
your
right?
access key profile?
I just profile raw coders
That
or something
could
like
be
that.
the issue. Yeah, that could be the issue.
Why does it look like it's working?
Because it is working. Well done. It
Really?
is working. See, it's saying upload,
Oh,
and
you're
then
pulling my
and the
leg.
file names. Huh?
You're pulling my leg. Like
No, no, no. It
it's
is working. It's working. See, it says completed 10.7. Here we
oh
go.
really?
Now, if you go list the content of the bucket
Oh.
from the CLI, okay, never
No,
mind.
no.
You can use console. It's fine. Yeah, you can use the console. It's good.
How do you do it via CLI? Oh, that's right. Oh.
Yeah, just do it with the console. By the way, if you did want it to do by CLI, it would be AWS
Mhm.
S3, and then I think it would be the bucket. No,
Let's.
so ls and then the bucket name. So this command here, I'll just kind of type it in the private chat. S3 ls and then S3 scrambler front end. That's the command. Here we go. Done. So if
Oh
you
yeah.
go on that one, if you go into, we need to check if his public reads are available.
Oh, true, true. How do we check? How do we get permissions?
Permissions, block access, block all public access. Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's public. Go to properties.
We need
Is
to
it not
turn this
there?
on, right?
Here we go. Yeah. It's been ages I've had a look at S3 console.
Actually,
Yeah,
we should.
mhm.
Oh, sorry, go on, sir.
No, no, continue, please.
Um, I thought maybe we would. What's it called? We would do this in cloud formation.
Yeah, I wanted to, but then uh, the thing that actually stopped us was if we want to make any change to the front end,
Mhm.
then we would have to deploy the entire stack over and over again,
Okay. Yeah.
which
Okay.
will cost us a lot more
True. True.
than it's doing at the moment. Yeah, which is
So,
yeah. Mhm.
oh, sorry, go
I
on.
was just gonna say, which is why we kind of took this route, because when we because the front end and the back end are microservices, so
Mhm.
a- and they're separate from each other, so it's a good idea to keep them separate as well
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
deployment too.
Mhm.
But when it actually publishes, as in everything is all right, then we're going to be implementing a pipeline, and this whole process will happen through there,
Yeah. Okay.
through the
Yeah. I was
pipeline.
gonna say the same thing.
Yeah, cool. So index document, no, no, yeah, that's fine. Home.html. No, optional, that's optional. We don't need that. Save changes. Hey, Tori, welcome, man. Oh, yeah, how did the interview go? Really curious about it as well. Code access denied. Um, access denied is saying
Maybe it's not
forbidden.
public, the objects. Make public?
Yeah. Uh, ACL. It's been ages I've seen the S3 console, to be honest.
Mhm.
It's like when public, okay, yeah, make public. It's fine. But after this, we would probably have to make a rule. Yeah, but not at the moment. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, hey, you did it. Well done,
Nice.
finish. You're the
So we,
man.
we did it.
Good job.
Um,
Um, go to. Is even triggering anything? What does it say? Website. Oh, okay. Can you tell me the socket URL? Because I think that might have changed.
DKARW. I'll copy it.
Yes, please. Rock, rock coders are speeding through.
Nice. Oh, great job, Tori. Apparently, you think you did okay, and a pass to the final round. So, yeah, nice stuff.
Fantastic. Congratulations, Tori. You always underestimate yourself, man. We all believe in you.
Hmm. Absolutely.
260274. Okay, so I'll just give you the WebSocket URL, and
Hmm.
we'll check, because I'm pretty sure that is the issue at the moment.
Okay.
Okay, so we based the stream, private chat. Yeah, that was the issue, and here you go. That's your WebSocket URL.
Cool. So you'll need to show me where to put this thing because
That would be in the okay, you would probably have to create the environment.js file first.
okay.
Actually, no. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Go in the still front end,
Mm-hmm.
right at the top. Yep,
Oh, yeah.
replace that one.
So just rerun the same command. It should only replace the files that changed, I think. Right?
To be honest, I forgot how it used to work. Let's see. No, it
It looks like
was
it
the
uploaded.
entire font. I'm gonna actually check if there's a way to just change the. Oh, right. Think it might be a better idea to d- delete all the files and re-upload it, because if you update the files in S3, there is a bit of a latency issue that it takes a while to propagate the changes.
Oh, okay.
As the exam coming in handy now. Actually, just try and see if it does the trick.
We need to make it public again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Atari. I saw. What did I see? I saw women's singles. Um, uh, yes. God, what did I see again? The Polish player. Um, her name's pretty hard to pronounce, and the one before that as well, French player. And then I also saw the male singles, um, Tsitsipas. Yeah, really good games. Um,
So it is connected to the WebSocket. Is your AP is your backend your right? Apparently not, because it's not getting anything. Still front end 97. Go to still front end 97. I just want to check. Oh no, in your code I meant.
mhm.
Which branch are you on?
Um,
Can you do a get status? It's easier. Connect WebSocket.
it's my URL, right? Maybe it's wrong.
Can you go to the URL
Let me
and
grab
check
that.
what did it start with? Five what?
Oh, sorry. This one. Oh, I'll just get it from the environment.
5QW. Hang on. Let me just confirm that if that is the one.
Mhm.
Because you might be right. There is the URL issue. Yeah, it's the URL issue. I'll give you that one as well.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. It's
Okay. So
amazing how. Yeah, yeah. Go for it.
it's amazing. What, sir?
Don't you think it's really amazing that we worked on it on this project that much, as in
Hmm.
all the skills are being enhanced and we are identifying the problems within minutes now.
True. True. Yeah, that's a good point. Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the biggest problem. Like that. True.
So you got this hosted on AWS. We're still working through the hosting, Tori, by the way. I think more or less though, getting there.
Yeah, we are said 95% there. The next thing to do would be to point S3 to CloudFront and then do the domain setup in a way that each uses our domain.
Yeah, true. Should we
Should
just
we go
upload that
sorry?
file? Should we just upload that file?
Yes, just have one file, please.
Yeah.
So probably do. Yeah, that's the one. Client environments JS. And if you can remove the recursive option, because that's a file, not the folder anymore. There we go. Perfect.
This one we should also be conscious that we don't want to make this file public.
Yeah, yeah. So we can actually make this as in private. If you go back first, because just this one file, we can make it private. I don't know if you can do this. Do that. Can we?
I think so. I think so.
Make, rename, object properties, download, open, ACL, edit.
Just want to see if this is
Yeah,
the new one.
cool.
I think so. Yeah.
Everyone, public access. No, apparently it doesn't have any public access, which is good.
Cool. Let's cancel. Yeah. Cool. Nice.
Right, let's give this a shot. URL before. Cannot access URL before initialization. Can you go back to the file?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you mean yeah?
Yes, it says can't access the URL before initialization. So go right at the top. I want to see where the URL is actually assigned. Okay, env, go to your environment.js file. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, go. Okay, yeah, I thought the board / wasn't there, but is there. Why is it saying that you can't use the URL before it's assigned? Actually, might be that we need to give that page or the file public access as well, and
That's
then
what I'm
it will
thinking.
pick up.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm think. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well.
Um, tutorial is filled. So file, all the files in the client folder is in S3 now. So essentially, all the front end things are in S3 now.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's worked.
Yeah, it's
Fantastic.
worked.
Cool. Now I'm gonna go to the the DynamoDB and check if the entry has been there. Tables, VS connection, explore tab. Okay, do you wanna connect again?
Mhm. Do a hard refresh.
Oh, okay, never mind. We need to add a button on the front end to actually do leave or disconnect.
What do you mean, sir?
So we once the user connects to the WebSocket, which is opens the index.html page opens up,
Mhm.
but when they leave that page, I wanna call disconnect function of the WebSocket. So as soon as they leave the index page, then they will automatically disconnect from the web server, from the WebSocket server. Sorry,
Would there be a way to, instead of adding a button, when they close the page, we just disconnect?
that's exactly what I was gonna search on doing because yeah, you're right. We shouldn't really have any extra buttons so that the user has to as in deliberately click
Mhm.
on that to disconnect. But yeah, that's looking good so far. Do you wanna connect again when I ask you to? Because I just want to make sure that the insertion of the website connection ID is actually working. Okay.
You
Yep.
you mean just
When you're ready.
refresh?
So just connect to the WebSocket.
What do you
Oh,
mean by that?
sorry. So basically, create a board.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just found a bug. Yeah, that's the bug.
This thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So let's see if that's coming up. And it does. Hang on a minute. Why are there two connection IDs? Should be only one. Do you want to do that again? So maybe open that in incognito close after closing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do
What? Really? The WebSocket will time out after 10 minutes from what I read. So that would happen if it doesn't connect, isn't it, Tori? So it will try to connect for 10 minutes, and then if it doesn't, then it will time out. You just reconnect it for times out in code. True, true. Yeah. Okay, yep. Ganesh, go for it.
Credible.
Yes, please. Okay, and I'll check how many. Please just insert one. It's nothing two connection IDs. Not entirely sure why. Actually, what I might do, if you send me the URL finish, I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
try on my side.
Mm-hmm. Is it possible saying that it's inserting one for this and then one more when we create the board?
Hang on a minute. Just bear with me for a second. This is interesting.
Say. Yeah, sure, I'm Tori. Always does it, huh? Mhm. Yeah, absolutely. Um,
I say I well, not the same thing, but my laptop's battery died. I just
oh,
got carried away from the zone. Anyway, coming back. What were you saying,
what was I
Finish?
saying? What I was trying to say is that maybe, what if it's because it is loading it here once and then loading it again when we create the board? As that's
That can't be because we're actually only connecting when they're on the index.html on
okay.
load of index.html.
I see. Okay, that makes sense.
This is very interesting because I'm running in the DynamoDB. No matter how many times I'm running, it's giving me a connection ID. So if you do it now, what happens?
You mean load the page and create board?
Yes, please. You must be right, Nash. You must be right. You must be right. Hang on. Cause I think that is doing what you said is doing. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
now if you want to load the home page,
Mm-hmm.
what does it do?
Okay. So wait, let me. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this. Um, is it no connection ID now? Say.
No connection ID. No, nothing
Okay.
now.
Now I'll load one page. Any connection ID?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
There's one connection ID. So that is exactly what's happening. It's inserting a. It's actually connecting to a web socket
Mm-hmm.
on home.html as well when
Yeah.
the page loads. Right. Okay, so that is a bug. We need to fix that first before moving on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna basically come back to actually. Shall we come back to that, or shall we do this first and then move on to changing the domain name?
I mean, in terms of functionality, perhaps this seems like more of a priority,
Yeah.
so
Mhm.
that we can kind of like give it up to the people that you were suggesting as well, like Jason to
So,
test it out and all that.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
yeah.
Okay then. Yeah, that is fine. Okay. Cool. So we can basically move on to uh changing the domain name now.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
What's on your mind?
I was saying, what I was trying to say is, I felt that this was more of a priority, but um, yeah, I don't know if you felt the same way or not.
Yeah, I'm feeling this is more for priority. Yeah, actually, just fix this one first, and then we can move on to the domain name.
Cool. Yeah, sounds good. I'm not really familiar with this though, because I wasn't here when you guys did this.
Okay, try to read the code and take your time. There's no rush. So on connect.
Okay.
So basically, what it's doing, go to home.html, go to which files is importing. Ah, there's the culprit. You
Uh,
you know what's happening?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This is exactly what's happening because it's loading the file
Mm-hmm.
in home.html. So it's
Mm-hmm.
automatic, and the code is in the home.html file. It's still front end file,
Mm-hmm.
which is why it's connecting twice.
Yep.
Um,
Okay.
we can basically insert an if statement that if it's coming from home.html, then don't insert it.
Don't insert it. Like you mean the if
So
statement? Yeah.
no, you know where the on connect function is being called.
Mm-hmm.
So try to find the where on connect function is being called. Yeah, over there we would probably have to do an if statement that if it's home.html file, then don't connect it. As in,
Uh,
skip that statement
yeah. Okay.
completely. You know how to do that?
No, not very familiar.
Okay.
Uh,
I will Google that because I haven't done that either. So skip a function condition if condition define define with define. Oh no, sorry. Can you go back? I think I might know what needs to happen. We need to use the part uh, Windows location. Yeah, Tori basically told us the
True,
answer
true,
15 minutes ago.
true. He's on top of it.
Yeah,
He probably already knew what the
yeah,
issue was as well.
yeah. I think there has to be a full URL path
So,
name. So it will probably be actually, can you go back to the browser or what the thing is?
you dropped this.
Um, the page itself, as in our project page. Okay, we need can you go back to home.html? Right, so it's not giving. Actually, um, I was thinking that it must have a path name, but it doesn't have it. Actually, probably forget. Do if path name is um, empty string basically, and see if that works.
Name.
Oh no, so Windows dot location dot path name. Brackets. Do you maybe wanna do a ternary operator?
Mhm.
Ternary statement could that can save 3 lines. Probably convert the. Okay, never mind. You can do it this way. Yeah. So if it's not empty, we can do that.
This I'm not super
Mm,
familiar because I haven't.
actually, don't worry about it. We can do it the oth- other way around, as in yeah, in the classic way.
And fix it up later if it
Yeah,
works.
yeah, exactly. Uh, if it's not null, so we don't wanna connect. So if it's not, yeah, if it's not empty, then connect.
Okay.
If it's empty, if it's not, if the path name isn't there, then console open. Here, connect and console.log. You probably want to put the send message inside the if statement as well, as in the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So do everything only if it can, the path name is there. Okay, we have Tori's approval. It might work.
It probably won't work here because
No, it won't work here. Yeah, we wanna check it in the.
yeah, true. I just Okay, let's just check it in. Should I just redeploy this?
Yeah, just that page. See how fast is CLI?
Yeah, that's true actually.
There we go. Boom, done. Simple.
True. Actually, yeah, if I was to open the console and then drag and drop,
Yeah,
it would have taken
yeah.
longer.
Cool, done. See, here we go. Not even a minute yet, and it's done.
Sure. Let's see.
Hang on a minute. I'll just make sure that there are no IDs anymore, and then you can. Oh, you've already opened up the thing.
I'll try it. I'll reopen it.
Okay.
I'll close this one.
Yeah, if you can, please, that'd be
I'll
great.
close all of it.
Yeah, close everything and reopen that one. Hopefully, it doesn't come in now.
Okay, and no IDs, right?
No, no idea.
ID?
Tori saying this show is called
Click
Ops. Let me check. Hopefully not.
Hope not.
No, it's still coming up. So that didn't work, obviously. Right. How to um, hang on a minute. If
I'll
how
say maybe we use this.
let me check. Path name is okay. Yeah, for sure. Good work. Definitely do this.
That's correct, right? In JavaScript, or is it double like that?
Probably do a single, but I might be wrong as well. Let's try it. What's the worst can happen? It won't work.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, the expert advice is about to come.
True.
Okay, and hang on. I'll just delete that one and see what it comes back with. Okay, no IDs.
It is okay. I'm just going to incognito. Any ID?
Hope not. No ID. Well done.
Nice.
Yeah, that worked. Brilliant.
So let's see. Let's hold
Yeah.
on first. See if there's any ID here. ID.
ID.
Nice. Okay.
That is working. Good job.
Thanks, man. What did Tori say? The DevTools console type. Oh, that's what we did. Yeah.
He said exactly what you did. Yeah. Cool. So this is done. This has been a productive session, to be honest. Well done, man.
Yeah, it's been really good. Got a lot done
Yeah.
this session.
Yeah. True. True. All right.
Uh,
Cool.
cool.
Mm-hmm. What were you gonna say?
There's anything to push? Only the maybe the front end code. Yeah, push that.
Yes, just a front end code. Hmm.
Cool.
And just please make sure you do your status. You won't be able to push any way to dev or master because it won't allow you to, but it's a really good habit to get into.
Yeah, true. Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, as in not to push to the master, but to do the get status first.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
sorry. The issue was well, yeah, what Zane was saying. I can't push to master, and I tried to do that in the previous um, stream, so that's why. It's my bad.
that's all right. So, finish. Can you do the honors?
Yeah. So today was a productive session. We managed to create a new, or managed to push the files, the local files, front end files into our S3 bucket that we created in the last episode. And we got that to display as well. But we were having a few issues in terms of the URLs, which we got fixed pretty easily. And then in the last little bit, we were getting two WebSocket connection in DynamoDB, but we fixed that up with a simple if statement. So it's working now, and yeah, on to the next stage, which is getting the domain linked up with S3 bucket. So if you want to see that, see us tomorrow, same time, same place, and
A different task. Fantastic, guys. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
see everyone. Good night.